It's about noon, maybe 12:30 on December 31st, and the Phish semis are here already. They'll be loading starting about 1 a.m. I guess they're leaving nothing to chance here. So there's actually 5 semis there and a handful of SUVs and 2 more over there. They've all got permits on the windshield. Wonder how much that cost. I found 2 more. So there's 2 there, 2 there, and 5 over on the side of Moynihan. Wow. And there are 3 more trucks in the ramp area at Madison Square Garden. So that brings the total to 12 trucks. They don't travel light, do they?